Most affiliates are wasting their time in 2025. They're guessing niches, they're writing endless posts, and they're throwing together funnels that completely flop. Meanwhile, the smart ones, they're using AI to shortcut the whole process. And here's the thing, if you're not using ChatGPT yet, then you're already behind. This tool is like having a 24/7 research assistant, copywriter, and strategist all rolled into one, but only if you use it the right way. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to speed up your affiliate marketing in 2025. From finding winning offers, to creating content that gets views, to building funnels that actually convert. And stick with me until the end, because I'll give you an AI prompt that instantly finds profitable affiliate niches for you. You'll want to pause the screen and write it down. It is that powerful. Now, just quickly, before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. The first way ChatGPT saves you months of trial and error is in research. Normally, picking a niche is overwhelming. You don't know if it's too competitive, if people are spending money, or if there's even offers that pay enough. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. Just open up a chat and say, list 5 evergreen niches in 2025, explain the top problems people are actively searching for to solve, and suggest example digital products or subscriptions. In seconds, you'll get back a clear picture of where the money is flowing. Straight away, that has saved you days, if not weeks of research. But don't stop there. Next, ask ChatGPT to analyze the value of the product compared to its price. For example, is a $49 budgeting tool actually worth more than that? Because it helps people save $500 a month. That's the kind of insight that tells you if it will sell or not. And you can even ask for EPC comparisons. If affiliates are making $2 or $3 or more per click, then that's proof that people are buying the product. That's how ChatGPT turns confusion into clarity fast. The next place affiliates fail is content. They either run out of ideas or they burn out creating posts that no one ever engages with. ChatGPT solves this instantly. Think of it like your idea machine. As an example, say you're in the fitness niche. You could type in, give me 10 TikTok hooks for weight loss programs. And ChatGPT will spit out engaging openers that grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Or let's say you're in the finance niche. Ask, write 5 subject lines for emails promoting budgeting tools that help people save $500 a month. And suddenly, just like that, you're never stuck staring at a blank screen again. But here's the key. Don't just copy and paste. The winners in 2025 add their own voice and their own story on top of the AI output. That's what builds trust. Think of it this way. ChatGPT gives you the skeleton and you add the muscle. And the bonus of being able to post more content is that you have more opportunities to learn what works and what doesn't. ChatGPT lets you scale ideas without burning out. So you can show up daily with content that pulls people in. Now let's talk about where the money actually is made, and that's in your funnel. Most beginners crash here because they overcomplicate it. They think they need a fancy website or to learn coding, or that in order to be successful you need some 17-page funnel. Otherwise you're just leaving money on the table, but that is not true. With ChatGPT, you can map out your funnel in minutes. Just ask, write a headline and a sub-headline for a freebie opt-in page that helps people solve whatever problem it is that your product solves. Write a thank you page script that builds trust and naturally introduces your product. You'll instantly get copy that you can plug into your funnel builder. Just remember to add your own voice on top of it. So here's the 3-page funnel setup that you should be using. I'll just go over it quickly here, but if you want to understand it in a bit more detail, then go and check out my full funnel build video that walks you through the entire setup step by step. I'll leave a link to that above. So the first page is your opt-in page. This is where you offer a freebie in exchange for someone's email address. Next, you have your bridge page, where you thank them for opting in, you share your story, and you recommend the product naturally. And finally, you have your offer page. You don't even need to make this yourself, it's already built by the product creator. You just send people there via your unique affiliate link. So that is it. No learning complicated software, no hiring a web developer, and ChatGPT can even draft your follow-up emails. Just ask for a 5-part welcome sequence with value and soft pitches, and you'll have the nurture process written in minutes. This is where most people stall, but with AI, the what do I write problem completely disappears. Okay, now here's the catch, and this is something that far too many people completely overlook. ChatGPT is a tool. It's not a replacement. If you just copy whatever it gives you, you'll sound like every other beginner out there. The difference between winners and losers in 2025 is how you use the tool. Winners use AI to save time, generate ideas, and map out strategies. Then they layer on their own personality, their own story, and their own voice. That's what makes people trust you. And in affiliate marketing, trust is everything. So remember this, ChatGPT gives you speed, but you need to bring the authenticity. And when you combine the two, that's when things really scale up. And now here's the prompt I promised you earlier. I've put it on screen. You can use this prompt to research an evergreen niche. That's a niche that people were spending money on 5 years ago. They're spending money on it today, and they'll be spending money on it 5 years from now. So here's the bottom line. Affiliate marketing in 2025 doesn't have to take years of trial and error. With ChatGPT, you can shortcut the hardest parts, like finding niches, creating content, and building funnels. And that lets you focus on what matters, like connecting with people, building your audience, and stacking up your commissions. Now, if you want to shortcut it even further, then grab a copy of my free affiliate starter pack from the link in the description below. It gives you the templates and the tools that you need to launch your first funnel fast. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build a real income online. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just watch someone else win. Take action now, use the prompt, and build a system that can free you from your 9 to 5.